So I'm going to be unboxing the Metabo HPT 7 1/4 circular saw. I did get some really good reviews from last year in terms of pro tips, and so I thought I'd give it a try. I got a couple projects here at home going on, but in terms of power pack, this does have 6,000 RPM, which I do like. Got your traditional 15 amps, bevel depths, angles, and things like that. So I really went for it from a cost perspective with relationship to RPMs. It does have a 6,000 RPM motor, so I thought that extra 800 RPM may help cut a little bit faster, a little bit better. So let's take a look at what this looks like. I did get it from Lowe's. They do have a new price on it. It used to be $100. It is now $79.99. So the price is extremely affordable for a nice circular saw. It is also, in terms of 7 1/4 circular saws, it is a little bit on the heavier side at 9.5 pounds, but it is a pretty clean tool. Of course, I just got it out of the box, but I really like the design. I prefer left-handed, left-facing blades, but I can cut with right-facing blade as well. Not an issue for me at all. But it does feel pretty stout. Aluminum plate, aluminum cover. It's got really nice tension on the guard. Oh, I did not know, but it does come with a carry bag, a little satchel. I'm sure I could use this for something else other than carrying that around. And it came with a framing ripping blade. So nice little package that it came with. Hopefully it performs as well as what the pro tips indicate. This is the Metabo HPT. Picked it up at Lowe's Hardware for $79.99. I really like the design. The casing, the motor casing, and the handle though are really thick polyurethane. It's got a nice rubber grip handle though. Pretty comfortable. Heavy duty cord. Don't anticipate that being a problem. And your traditional, like I was saying earlier, traditional bevel cuts and depths and degrees that the saw can cut. Anyway, we'll go out and we'll rip a couple risers and see how it does. We're gonna go ahead and put the blade on as well, since we're gonna use it. Your spindle lock, your blade lock is right there. Like I said, we'll get the blade put on. I've already taken the washers off, so we'll keep the one washer on. Let's take the blade teeth cover off, protector. Alright, and there we have it. The blade is installed. The other thing I did not necessarily notice when I purchased this, I don't know if I'm really going to use it or not, but it does have a cord hook right here. Like I said, I don't necessarily think that I'm going to use it, but it is a nice little handy accessory for $79. At this point, pretty happy. Again, I went more for the 6,000 RPM versus another one that had only 5,200 RPM. So again, thought maybe the extra 800 RPM would be helpful. And anyway, let's go rip some wood. Okay, if you noticed, that does not have a brake on it. I don't necessarily like that, especially from a safety perspective. It's something I'll definitely have to get used to without having a brake. Overall, I'm really happy with the new Metabo circular saw.